Hi guys, welcome to the walk around video of the Mercedes A-Class. Lovely example, it's got the AMG style wheels. This is in fact an AMG line with double exhaust. Let's get a little close up on that. Very nice, very smart. Air intakes, both in the back and on the front. Add to that sporty look. We've got parking sensors on the front, as you can see there. Continental tyres all throughout the car on what I assume 19 or 20 inch wheels. Mercedes Benz branded brake calipers. We've got indication lights on the wing mirrors as well, which look great. And we do have parking sensors on the back of the car too. It's the A200 model, and what I always love about high-end cars is they always have the branding inside of the glass or the plastic of the headlight, which I think looks really smart. Really sporty look with the elegant curves on the lights, which look fantastic in the night time, and also the daytime running lights at the front. This long classic Mercedes beam that goes through, and once again that branding is on there. You've got the Mercedes beam that runs in the daytime, and you've got your dipped headlights obviously run at night time, along with the daytime running lights. Now we are going to have a look inside the car. Stepping in, you're greeted with a lovely, it is fake, but carbon fibre looking interior plastic there. It's actually it's like a padded plastic. It's made out of plastic, but it's got a bit of squidge behind it, which is quite a nice feel. It's not just a solid kind of opaque finish. We have the classic Mercedes air vents that are 180 directional, so you can point them in whatever direction you want facing you. We have the, if I just turn the car on, we have the Mercedes info center, which when it loads up I'll take you through. Lots of convenient storage, it's very smartly hidden. Just press them down and they open up very elegantly. Got a 12-volt cigarette lighter that can obviously charge USB devices. It can charge car fridges, etc. if you really need to. Standard aircon controls both for the passenger and the driver. We've got a setting here which, if you press max, it then tells the car, right, heat this up as quick as possible, which in the UK can be very useful. We've got a cup holder here. If I just move that out of the way, got a cup holder here that can be adjusted or taken out. So we've got two USB charging points in here too, along with some storage for wallets or keys. So you can control the info center from this dial here, which if I turn does change the settings and manual. Going on to the driver's compartment, I suppose you've got controls left and right on the driving stems here. Controls for the info center are here, so you can answer calls, you can use your voice control from your phone, you can decline calls or hang up, you can turn up and down or mute. You've got flappy panels for kind of more responsive gear changes if you're going to go into a sport mode. Classic indication and stuff, and windscreen wipers and cleaning your windscreen with washer fluid. This is where your gear stick, I suppose, is. You just control from here, so just to go into drive, knock that down, you're going to drive 1 and then drive 2, etc., and the gears will go up. Reverse is just an upwards tick. Neutral or park, so you just press park, you just press that in. The carbon fibre continues throughout on the side here as well, along with the Mercedes air vent. You've got auto daytime running lights, you've got beams, but everyone just, the options there, just stick on auto, just do the best option for you. That is the driving compartment. I suppose you've got some seat controls here, forward, backwards, up and down with your lumbar. Going on to the aesthetic features, we've got a lovely leather and suede finished seat here with red stitching. We've got it all ribbed up to the top, and then we've got a nice little air vent, which is a very sporty kind of look nowadays. It's very comfy. very, very comfy, I must say. In the back, the AMG foot mats continue, along with the ribbed and leather, or the suede ribbed and the leather seating. And lastly, the boot. Let's have a look. So you've got the other floor mats here that are kind of the aftermarket optionals that the previous owner obviously would have had. Got some breakdown kits as well as tyre compression, first aid, the official Mercedes first aid, and also the previous owner's breakdown kit as well. In here you can access wirings and some fuses. There is a little couple of fuses, but obviously these are more tailored to fix the rear lights, and just easy access on both sides, so you don't have to, you know, stress about going to a dealership or a garage just to fix a bulb. Very easy. Heated back windscreen as well, and the same with the Isofix as well. I'm happy to be presenting you with this car. I think it's a really nice car. It looks really good on the road, and especially when it's brand new and clean like this one, it looks fantastic. So I'm really happy to show you guys this car, and if you're interested, of course, give us a call, visit the website. We are 0118 9711 799, and you can speak to any of the sales team. They'll be happy to help you. You can arrange a test drive, have a feel for, you know, what it'll be like on the real road, and really give it a go. So yeah, give us a call, guys, and we look forward to seeing you at Anchor Cars. Thank you very much. Bye bye.